We help with every class on campus. Anything that requires any kind of a writing assignment. I've helped students write grant papers. I've helped students write scholarship acceptance letters, scholarship application letters, research papers, senior capstone papers, but really anything that requires writing. The Writing Center and all the services we provide, it's free for all students on campus.
By the time I got my VA stuff organized, came to school here in the fall of 18, I've been out of school for, you might as well say, a decade. And just coming back and getting a huge refresher and getting back up to speed. The Writing Center really did help me go from very low quality writing skills to a much better quality. So my first paper in English was, I'm going to probably say a 50-some-odd%. It was definitely a failing grade. There's probably more red ink on the paper than there was black ink. My last paper was 96, 98%. And I passed at the top of the class just from my tutoring from the Writing Center.
Seeing a student that I spent a lot of time working with and see them succeed, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I've given back to the community, and I'm just happy to see them become stronger writers.